Vivid is a festival of light, music and ideas. This is the first year that BE Productions have had our introduction into working with Vivid, and we're really excited about what we've been able to produce. We've got two activations, first one being Samsung's Night Reimagined, which is here at Luna Park. Experience starts over in the Opera House steps. You walk through an activation that all ends up with you having a selfie photo taken. That photo is turned into an emoji sent across to us on a virtual ferry over here to Luna Park, and we project that image up onto the face of Luna Park, essentially making you Luna Park. The second one is called Ride Into the Night. It's at Tumbalong Park at Darling Harbour. That one is an activation for kids with special needs, and it's an aquatic theme projection mapped surface that you get to experience what it's like to be in a wheelchair amongst the sea. We partnered with Epson a little over 12 months ago. We're so excited about the 25K laser projectors. We've since taken on a whole bunch in their mid-range land projector models as well. We work outdoors. We project onto big buildings, in dirty environments, dusty environments, and we couldn't be happier with the products. So our installations are big, they're very complex, and a lot of riding on the success of these activations. So the support that we get from Epson has been amazing. Turn around, to the drop of a hat. They're always there to help us and support us with anything additional that we may require. We couldn't be happier to be working with a company like Epson, and we're really excited about not only what we're producing now, but what the future is going to bring. It's not every day that you get approached to transform this amazing building. One of the most exciting events that I've ever been a part of, and we're really proud of what we've achieved.
Yeah, I've come all the way from Queensland. I can't believe there's faces projected up there. It's pretty cool.
The resolution's amazing. It's really clear. I didn't expect it to be so bright, actually, yeah.